Hey everyone, this is Tim here, and I'm in Battle Creek, and I'm here on 20th Street, and this building right here that you're seeing used to be a hospital called Lakeview General. It's been closed for a few years, for a long time. It was a hospital. Then they turned it into a nursing home, but that closed up, and now they're tearing it down for some reason. For what? I don't know why. I really don't know why they're tearing it down, but they are. And this is what they're doing to old Lakeview General Hospital here in Battle Creek, knocking it down. Sad to see a place like this be tore down. A lot of fond memories of it. Don't know why they didn't fix it up and everything. Sometimes they do things like that to buildings. And this used to be old Lakeview General. If some of you have ever lived in Battle Creek or watching this, it used to be a great old hospital. Very good old hospital. I was here once at this hospital. When the other two hospitals were full. And this is what they're doing to old Lakeview General, knocking it down. Got the front knocked down. It's gonna be sad not to see this building sit here. Would have been a great building to do ghost hunts in. Yeah, do ghost hunts. Well, I guess whoever owned the property didn't want it sitting here anymore. Well, they're bringing her down. Would have been a good place to do some ghost hunting in. That would have been great for people that wanted to do that. You can see they still got the tower there. Yeah, this is what they're doing to old Lakeview General, tearing her down. It used to be called Mercy Pavilion. After they did name changes. After they did some name changes, it was Lakeview General, but then Mercy Pavilion, a nursing home, took over, and then that closed up. And then it was sitting here being empty for a very long time. I mean, good long time. Up until 2012, and now here it is, 2012, and they're tearing her down. sad that they're bringing her down. A lot of fond memories people will have about this hospital. A lot of them. A lot of fond memories of old Lakeview General. So if anybody from Battle Creek's watching this, and this is what they're doing to old Lakeview General, knocking her down. Yep, knocking her down. Wish they could have did something better to her, but they guess they didn't want to. Could have made it into something. I know that. Wish somebody would have bought it and done something with it. But yeah, this is what they're doing to old Lakeview General. They're gonna have some good money for that scrap, I know that in there. Big time. Well, yeah, used to be old Lakeview General. Yep, used to be old Lakeview General.